guys, on our way down to Lake Brockman today. So here with a couple of mates in Tim and Cam, and we've also got a new swag to test out, so keen to check that one out and show you all. Lake Brockman is actually north of Harvey and south of Dwellingup, so it's not quite in the middle, a little bit closer to Harvey, but yeah, first time checking out this particular campsite, so we'll let you know our thoughts, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. So we're just here at Logue Brook, and this is the Benuru, I hope that's the right pronunciation, campsite. Yeah, we got a couple of hot plates here as well, which is good. And nice view overlooking the lake. And basic toilet facilities. So the weather actually turned pretty quickly this morning, so I didn't get the chance to do a proper sort of send off and show a bit of the pack down, but thankfully we managed to get everything in the vehicles without everything getting wet, which was good. But yeah, really good site, enjoyed it. The sites are probably a little bit smaller than some of the sites that sort of Dwellingup as a comparison, but you know, some offer views over Lake Brockman itself, which are quite scenic. We took site 13 and 12 just for a bit of privacy, so we had two sites opposing each other, which was good. So yeah, maybe consider that if you have a group of you attending and you want a bit of privacy, is, you know, try to take an extra site. But yeah, great spot in the trees, and yeah, I'd like to sort of perhaps come down with the caravan sometime to check it out as well. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.